So looking at the spindle here, this hole here is just a little bit undersized for this to fit in. And now, I put it in here, getting almost just a little bit more, and I should have it in there. Just a little bit more sanding. I've been sanding with this. Not perfectly to the size of the hole, but pretty close. And there's really a bushing on there. We're getting there. And I think we've made it. Just like this other one over on this side over here. I'm going to leave these loose now so that when I put the tie rod in first, going across, I can then make sure that these are straight, and then I can tighten these up.